So fixed wireless, what is that? It's sort of easy to say, what isn't it? On the screen, I've kind of got the two ends of the spectrum. Spectrum's probably a bad word in terms of wireless, but on one side, what I'm calling best effort connection. I've got a picture of a mobile phone, but it's kind of a device that will work or it won't work depending on where it's put in the house or where it's put in the handbag or what have you. It gets the service it gets. And on the other end of the spectrum, happens to be a NetComm product, that's an engineered link. It's professionally installed, high-gain antennas, aimed line of sight at base stations, very expensive to put in some respects, but gives a very high quality of service. So total cost of ownership, the engineered link can actually pay for itself because of the quality of the connection. Then fixed wireless can sit anywhere from highly engineered to best effort and in between. And people talk about indoor devices and hybrid devices that sit inside communications cupboards. I kind of put that somewhere in the middle, somewhere between best effort and highly engineered link. Fixed wireless can be all of those things. It's using wireless to replace your fixed or augment your fixed connection in some technique. And I think that's why the industry struggles a bit with this term fixed wireless, because it's lots of things. And then it gets more complicated. The standard around fixed wireless, well, I would say to you that who's responsible for setting that standard? We are, the industry. I've got a 3GPP logo in the corner, and they're very good at doing the radio interface, 2G, 3G, 4G, and now 5G. That's interesting. That's how the devices modulate and talk. But that's not fixed wireless. That's not standardizing the device or the ecosystem. And then how is the device used? Well, the answer is it depends. In this image here, we've got low spectrum with wide propagation, high spectrum with narrow propagation on top of buildings, talking down corridors or down roads, going across hills, all these different deployment scenarios that are actually different in every region. So the answer is no one is setting the standard for fixed wireless, the solution, but the ecosystem around it is very much driven around what is available to the network or in the region around spectrum. So the answer is it's complicated.